In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Squarespace website designer. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to dive into the world of web design using one of the most intuitive platforms out there. Let's start with the basics. First, head over to the Squarespace homepage. It's accessible from any web browser and acts as your gateway to creating stunning websites. Once you're on their page, your next step is to log in. You'll see a login button, typically at the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on it is your first step into the Squarespace world. For a seamless experience, Squarespace allows you to continue with Google for logging in. This feature is quite handy as it spares you from remembering an additional password. Just click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to choose your account. If your Google account is already signed in, you'll likely see it listed there. Simply click on your account to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed towards your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll find any websites you've already started building or managing. Click on your website from the list. This action will take you directly to the back end of your specific Squarespace site. It's from here that the real magic happens. Now, this is where things get a little more interesting. On your Squarespace dashboard, you'll notice a question mark icon located at the bottom. This is essentially your treasure trove of resources. Squarespace has creatively put together a vast array of videos, tutorials, and guides on everything you'll need to know about being a web designer on their platform. Clicking on this icon opens up a whole new world of learning resources designed to help you master Squarespace web design. But there's more. Squarespace also has a unique place called Heck Media. This section is specifically curated with web designers in mind. It hosts an entirely new set of learning materials that are advanced and niche to the needs of professional web designers. To navigate there, click on the link that leads you to Heck Media within the Squarespace dashboard. This click further deepens your dive into the expertise required for Squarespace web design. Once you're comfortable with the wealth of knowledge Squarespace and Heck Media offer, it's time to put things into practice. Suppose you've been working on a project or learning through building a practice website. In that case, you'll want to make your site available for the world to see. Navigate to the Site Availability section within your Squarespace settings. This setting determines who can see your website, be it just you, a select few with a password, or the entire world. Lastly, if you're satisfied with your website and ready to launch, you might see a button labelled Upgrade to Publish. This is a crucial step. Squarespace offers different tiers of service based on your needs, from personal to business and even commerce. Clicking on Upgrade to Publish will guide you through selecting a plan that fits your needs and officially launching your site to the public. So, to recap, becoming a Squarespace website designer begins with logging into Squarespace and continues with exploring and making the most out of learning resources like the question mark icon and Heck Media. Finally, it culminates in making your site live by selecting the right Squarespace plan for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend experimenting with Squarespace's features, the better you'll become at harnessing its full potential to create astonishing websites. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're looking to design websites professionally or just want to build a stunning online portfolio, these steps are your starting point. Make sure to explore, learn, and most importantly, have fun designing with Squarespace.